Hi, good morning everyone. This is Team 4. For the project, we have developed a project called Doctor-Patient Real Updates Communication System. The main use of this project is to make an effective communication between doctor and a patient. By using this project, it reduces the staff members of the practice so that the cost of the practice is reduced and the communication between the doctor and patient is made directly so that the communication will be more effective. In this project there are two modules, one is patient module and another is doctor's module. The key actors of this project are just a patient and a doctor. Moving into the software project, first we look into the patient's module. For that, firstly, to register an appointment, patient need to register into this system. For that, yes, patient needs to click on this register button over here on the system, and it goes to registration form where he need to fill all the details. Just 15. Email ID. The email notification will be sent with this mail ID which is given over here. And a message notification is also sent to this mobile number over here, which is provided by the patient. Once the registration is completed successfully, to book an appointment, patient needs to go to the home page. For that, he need to click on the continue button. Then this is a home page for the patient, where we have three buttons. One is make new appointment, next is an appointment history, third is a messages. Now make new appointment button, by clicking on it, he can make a new appointment for that particular day or whenever he wants, and he should give all the description of the problem and what time he want to book an appointment. All these details will be given in that make new appointment page. And next, in an appointment history page, it has all the previous appointments what this particular user has made. Here the user is test 15. What this test 15 had made, all the previous appointment histories are noted down over here. And messages, this messages is the latest updates on the health condition. If a patient wants to send to the doctor, if for example if he is suffering from viral fever, all of a sudden he has a dehydrating problem, so he need to send it to the doctor that I am feeling dehydrated, is there any first aid can I do for myself. These kind of messages can be sent to the doctor by using this messages button. For example, I'll show it, like make a new appointment. Now select a date, today is 16th. I select a date from 9 to 9:30 a.m. sorry 8:30 to 9 a.m. and his problem is suffering with high body temperature. So he has a fever, and now appointment board is made successful, and we will check with the appointment history is loaded. Yeah, he has only one appointment. He is a new user, he just registered, so he has only one appointment on his name. So this is his appointment history. And the messages, now we'll compose a message stating that he had a dehydration problem. So he has sent a message to the doctor saying that he has a dehydration problem too. So these are all the things which a patient can do on this system. So this is all about the patient module. Now we move on to the doctor's module, how the doctor's module is going to work. Example, see, for that for a doctor to log into the system, he need to provide his username and credentials. Once the doctor is once the doctor is appointed, or once the doctor is working in a hospital, his data will be added into the database. So the doctor is already added into the database of a system. So after adding, he will be given a username and a password. For example, in this system we have one doctor called Dr. USA. He has given a username as DRUSA and some password to his name. So by using these credentials, he should log into the system. Once he log into the system, the home page for the system is for the doctor's module is displayed, and there is a button called load today's schedule. To check all the today's appointments what the doctor had, he needs to click on this load today's appointment. So now I just clicked on the load today's schedule button. So it loaded what all the today's appointment we have. Today we have booked only one appointment, that is test 15. Patient name is test 15, and just now we have registered an appointment at 8:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. So that is the only appointment we have. Then he just wrote suffering with some high body temperature. So doctor knows that he is suffering with a fever. Okay, next, while treating the patient, he can observe what all the observations it made. So what type of fever it is. It is a viral fever. And next thing, he has a dehydration problem. These are the three observations what the doctor has made. Okay, these observations will be stored for the next time when if the doctor asks the patient to come after a 1 week to check up, then he will check what all the previous observations he has, and what is the improvement made by the patient, and do we need to take any other measures, any other things to be added to his treatment or not. He checks based on the previous observations, and he makes down the new observations in here, and he keep a track of all the observations of that particular patient. And if he wants, once the appointment is loaded, the time slot is loaded over here, automatically the user will be sent an email notification, as well as user will be sent a text message notification to his mobile number. See, hi test 15, your slot is called, please go and see the doctor USA at below address, block so and so. So this is a mail notification, and at the same time he will be sent a text message notification to his mobile number, so that the patient will go to the doctor and he'll be get treated. If the patient is not returned, if the patient doesn't go to the doctor at that time because of some problem, so the doctor can send a messages to him, so he can check, okay, what is the problem. He has a dehydration problem. So hi doctor, I am suffering with a dehydration problem too. So he can check, okay, he has a dehydration problem, maybe he cannot be able to show up now. So what he should do? So doctor sent a message saying that have a lot of water and some electoral powder places. So this is some advice doctor sent to the patient. This is how the messages system will work. So these are all the things. Now the next time when the patient turns up, he want to check the observations of that particular testify patient, so it will be here. If he clicks on the observations button, so ID will be 1 and patient ID is 17, and observations, he had a viral fever last time and he had a dehydration problem and he is feeling dizzy. These are all the 3 observations previously he had made, and next time when he turns up, when the patient comes again, he check whether he is suffering with the same symptoms or does he have any other symptoms, so the treatment will be changed. This is how this system helps the doctor and patient to get communicated effectively and treated well, and the patient is treated well by the doctor. And this is all about our project called Doctor Patient Real Updates Communication System. Thanks for watching the video.